Ultrasonic cleaning is a fast, effective way to remove tough soils like baked-on flux residues or heavy industrial greases. Ultrasonic cleaning equipment have transducers that generate ultrasound waves to create high-energy mini implosions to break up the soil. This equipment can be small enough to fit on a benchtop, like for jewelry, or larger for industrial models. The cleaner that you add to the equipment makes a big difference on the effectiveness of the cleaning process and the time that it takes. Here are the specifications to watch out for when choosing an ultrasonic cleaner. Solvency is the ability of the cleaner to dissolve the flux, grease, or other soil. A low surface tension allows the cleaner to run under low-standoff electronic components, drill holes, and tight areas. The density of cleaning material can affect how easily the sonics travel through the cleaner and the amount of cavitation they create. Non-flammable cleaning material is required for a heated bath and is generally recommended as the safest choice. Avoid using TCE, NPB, Perc, and methylene chloride, because with enough exposure they can cause serious health problems like cancer, kidney, and liver failure. If you choose a water-based cleaner, make sure you include a rinse as part of your cleaning process. Water-based cleaners leave behind residues which can cause problems depending on the final application. And finally, depending on your local regulations, you may need to watch out for environmental issues like volatile organic compounds and global warming potential. That is a lot to consider, so let our technical specialists guide you to the best ultrasonic solvent or water-based cleaner for your requirements.